Good afternoon, students. Today I am discussing about dealing with pharmaceutics 2 for diploma second years. First syllabus of pharmaceutics 2 contains prescription, incompatibilities in prescriptions, posology, mixtures, powders, monophasic liquid dosage forms, biphasic liquid dosage forms, emulsions, semi-solid dosage forms containing ointment, paste, creams, jellies, suppositories, pessaries, and dental and cosmetic preparations containing dentifrices, facial cosmetics, deodorants and hair products, sterile dosage forms, and ophthalmic products. In this syllabus containing what are the various types of ingredients used in formulation of different types of dosage forms along with their role and their preparation methods. Next, coming to first chapter is prescription. In this chapter you will learn about the reading and understanding the prescription, Latin terms used in prescription, modern methods of prescribing, adaptation of different types of systems. Next one, in first chapter prescription, it is a term derived from Latin word prescriptio. It means written order. Prescription means pre means before, script means write, ion means action. It means before write action. Prescriptions are usually act as a direct link between physicians, pharmacists and patients. Prescriptions are accomplished by directions for pharmacist and patient how to use, which route can be used by the how much of dose can be used by patient. It can be explained by pharmacist to the patient. Prescription is defined as it is a written order given by physician, dentist or any other medical practitioner to the pharmacist to compound and dispense a specific type of medication for individual patients. It can be written by English language for easy determination and easy identification. Some Latin words can be used for easy identification. Next one, these prescriptions are generally written in the English, but Latin words and some abbreviations can be used in order to easy to understand and save the time. So it is become necessary for pharmacists to become familiar with Latin terms and abbreviations used by the physician. Before the knowing about the types of prescription, there are some discussion about various types of prescription forms. First one is prescription forms are written prescriptions. These are single pre-printed forms, prescription pads. In these prescriptions, physician write a pen with ink. These records can be maintained in patient medication record file. Second one is computerized prescriptions. In this type of prescriptions forms, the medical staff of the officer can be printed in those prescriptions by using software. These prescription form can be printed out and signed by the prescriber and given to the patient. Next, third one is electronic prescriptions. These type of prescriptions can be generated by the computer. It cannot be signed by physician, and in this prescription digital signature of the prescriber can be fixed. Next, another type of prescription forms are verbal prescription forms. In the type of prescriptions are taken via telephone conversation between patient, physician and pharmacist. In this type of prescription forms, there is no printouts can be taken. In those prescriptions, there is no digital sign or normal sign present in the prescriptions. In coming to another type of prescriptions, in some hospitals there are maintaining different types of prescriptions. Those prescriptions for general practice, prescriptions for inpatients, there is a separate prescriptions for outpatient. So some hospitals are maintaining private prescriptions. When coming to types of prescriptions, as you know definition of prescription, it is a prescription is a written order, can be handwritten or electronic by the registered physician directing the pharmacist to prepare and dispense the specific pharmacological agent or medication for diagnosis and prevention and treatment of a disease. Next, coming to various types of prescriptions. Prescriptions are generally classified into two types: pre-compounded prescriptions and compounded prescriptions. Pre-compounded prescriptions are also known as non-compounded prescriptions. These are most commonly used in nowadays. These are prepared by different types of companies, like examples: capsules, tablets, syrups, ointment, paste. These prescriptions are already prepared by the drugs and different types of companies, so they are called as non-compounded prescriptions. Next one, extemporaneous prescriptions. The pharmacist prepare the medication according to the drugs and dosage directed by the physicians. These are called as compounded prescriptions. In those prescriptions, there are different types of ingredients can be contained. There are base, additives, and vehicles. Base produces desirable therapeutic action. Additives, these are used for enhance or stabilize the therapeutic action of the base. Next, vehicles, these are used for solubilize the drug. Most commonly used solvents are water. Next one, the difference in between various types of prescriptions: pre-compounded prescriptions and extemporaneous prescriptions. Pre-compounded prescriptions are that contain drugs available in pre-compounded form and dispensed and added it is to the patient when necessary. It can be guided by physician. Pharmacist or nursing staff dispense the drugs to the physician. These are most common in those nowadays. Those are available in tablets, capsules, ointment, paste, creams, syrups, elixirs, and also injections. It is comparatively safer dosage form. Next, coming to extemporaneous prescriptions. These are dispensing mix in these prescriptions, mixing together of ingredients of the prescription or drug formula are generally referred to the manual process performed by individual orders by the dispenser or pharmacist. It can be prepared at nowadays and at particular time. Pharmacist or nursing staff prepare the medication according to the drugs and dosage as directed by the physicians. As the directions of physicians, you will prepare the how much quantity of drug can be prepared, and according to their guidelines it can be prepared. These type of preparations are limited in this nowadays. Examples: Ayurvedic prescriptions and intensive care unit prescriptions. These are having higher risk when compared to pre-compounding prescriptions. Thank you.